In this home, she leaves her baby, trusting the nanny and the Godrej CCTV. It's all safe here. This little duck, made of clay, that she made in class today, will stay safely locked away. It's all safe here. The germs she collected while playing have no chances of staying. She has Mr. Magic to thank that she bought with her piggy bank. It's all safe here. At home or at play, they are safe from mosquitoes night and day. No fear of illness or harm. Good night works like a charm. It's all safe here. The air blows clean and the concrete is green. In this Godrej home, built for this little queen, it's all safe here. The Godrej lock turns click and clack, and he goes away for the whole day. But he's not worried about foul play. It's all safe here. After a hard day's work in this office, a lock called Crystal ensures nothing goes amiss. It's all safe here. Behind this defender door in the bank lie millions of rupees, but everyone sleeps in peace. It's all safe here. Around here, they sleep like a baby, like in every Indian home, in every village and city. For BrahMos stands guard and does its duty. It's all safe here. Since 1897, we at Godrej have been busy at work, innovating constantly to keep our country and its citizens safe, ensuring that it's all safe here.